This is the new 17 1/4 inch deep by 16 5/8 inch wide mighty hoop. To use this hoop on this HoopMaster station, you'll need a few parts. You'll need the normal HoopMaster adjustable fixture that we've been selling since about January of 2012. To know if you have the adjustable version of our fixture, it would have the C-shaped metal pieces on the side of one of the pieces. That allows it to slide up and down on the station and adjust to different sizes of hoops. This fixture fits the 10 by 10 and larger size mighty hoops. But to use this 17 by 16 inch mighty hoop, you'll also need a piece we call our station extension. This extends the bottom of the station for the extra height of this large mighty hoop. When you order this station extension, you'll get the plastic piece that has the two metal pieces bolted to it already, but you will need the 4 screws that come with it and 4 nuts, and then you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a 5/16 inch wrench or a nut driver. You'll take that and then you basically mount it to the bottom of the station. You just insert the 4 bolts through the station, and then on the back side you will tighten the nuts down with the nut wrench. Now when you do this, be sure to just insert the bolts until they are flush with the top of the metal. They do kind of thread into the station, but be sure you don't keep turning them once they are down. Once that's on the station, then you can mount your adjustable fixture onto the station. Okay, mounting the adjustable fixture to the station with the extension piece is just the same as using it without the extension. You basically take one piece, and I'm taking the part with the tab and I'm placing it towards the top of the station. For this hoop, since it's so large, I usually use one of the top 2 holes. So I mount that one, and then I'll take my bottom hoop, I'll slide the bottom piece up on the bottom of the station, and I'll adjust it till it holds my bottom ring. You just tighten up the 2 screws on the bottom. Once those are tight, then I'm basically ready to hoop. Now the reason I have the tab towards the top is because of the way I hoop jackets. This hoop is so large it doesn't leave a lot of room behind the hoop between the hoop and the back pantograph of the machine. So when I hoop this jacket, I'll put the hoop on here. When I take it off, I'm going to actually load this in my machine with the bottom of the jacket going towards the back of the machine, and I'll rotate my design 180 degrees. Now the reason I'm doing this again is because there's a lot less material to be in the back of the machine between the hoop and the back pantograph of the machine. If I put it in the other way, I would have the whole hood that would have to be able to fit behind the hoop back there. So when it goes in the machine, this hoop, you always want the tab, which is the longer side here. You always want this tab towards the outside of the machine or the front of the machine. You do not want this tab to go into the machine towards the back. It will probably hit the back of your machine before the hoop makes it all the way in. Now, you can use this fixture the opposite way. Depending on what you're hooping, to get that tab towards the front of the machine, you may have to put this part towards the bottom and then take this one off and put it towards the top of the station.